And I made it back just in time for taxi cab combat.
Say what you say, what you say.
This place is crazy. Now the $1 million question is where did I park? It's been almost 30 days. I don't remember where I parked. Oh, and on top of that, I arrived to find no checked baggage. So basically, my 30-minute layover that I had because my original flight was running late turned out to not produce a timely manner for my bag to arrive. So this is the second time this happened, showing up at this airport. But just like I told a chick, I'm not even mad. They actually said it's going to be in the next flight, and I might actually get it delivered tonight. So things could be worse. I learned that a while back. Things could be worse. Kind of like, where's my car? Well, good news is I found the car. Nothing like good old home. Well, back home after almost 30 days gone. Actually, today's 30 days. So I spent the past 3.5 weeks in Germany seeing my son. My oldest son, I haven't seen him in 7 years. He's 7 years old. He turns 8 this year. I was there for his birth and a few days after that, and you know, life just changed. And this experience of getting to spend time with him over these past few weeks was very intense. My mom got to come out there with me and enjoy that time as well. And what's crazy also on this whole journey is that I walked in, my flight got delayed 24 hours. So I woke up and I told my mom, like, hey, you can go back to sleep. Our flight's not leaving. This is like a week and a half ago. And I stayed up and did some work. Then I heard this like weird sound and I went to go investigate it, and I walked in my mom basically dying. Her blood sugar got extremely low. And it just really put a lot of things into perspective. A lot of things of just, what am I wasting my time on? What am I not doing enough? What am I not focusing on that's right in front of me that needs to be focused on the most, right? I don't know about you all, but I'm in this like massive like growth phase where I'm just expanding and spreading my wings and trying different things and getting in my groove. And you know, part of that is a lot of cutting stuff out of my life, stuff that doesn't serve me, stuff I don't even like doing anymore, and focusing on the things that truly matter to me, my family and things that are pushing me forward. And when I say pushing me forward, one of the big realizations that I had when I was in Germany was pushing my family forward and honoring them by overcoming anything that I feel like is like holding me back. So anything that's holding me back, it's got to go. It can't stay anymore. I don't have time for it. So right now, I'm headed to LabCorp. I'm going to get my blood drawn, and it's about time. I'm a little overdue, and so now just getting back in country, I'm just gonna hop on it. I'm really close to it out here near the airport, and just gonna go ahead and get it done. So I've been on testosterone replacement therapy for 12 plus years, and every 3 to 6 months I redo my blood, and this is all part of it. So the cool thing about going to LabCorp is like there's LabCorps everywhere, and really it's just making the time. And where I personally live, LabCorp is about like 50 minutes away, but it makes it super convenient to get your blood work done, have an expert look at your stuff. And from my experience, a lot of guys and girls that are looking into hormone replacement therapy are not feeling their best. They're going to primary care physicians who don't specialize in hormone replacement, and so they either get denied or they get told like, hey, your numbers are fine, or they get half the protocol, which then keeps him in the same state, right? Because when you add something to your body, something else happens, right? I know guys that just take testosterone. That's all I did. That's all the military gave me when I was active duty, was just testosterone. I'm like, do I need an estrogen blocker? They're like, no, you're fine. Well, what do you think is going to happen when I introduce testosterone to my body? My estrogen's going to change. Anyways, I've been with Core Medical Group for the past almost going on 6 years now. It'll be 6 years this September. And it has been the best decision I have ever made for my health and wellness. Not only do I take their hormone replacement, their testosterone protocol, I'm also on their peptides, joint ligament repair, inflammation mainly. Inflammation one, the NAD plus, has been super helpful and beneficial for me for my cognitive function. If you're new to this channel or new to listening and following me, I've had numerous traumatic brain injuries, and inflammation in the brain does not go well. So, Core Medical takes care of me and gives me the specialists. They outline the protocol and I follow it. It's pretty simple. And that was pretty simple. And now that's done, I'm headed to the park to link up with my friends and my family before they head back to Tennessee until a couple months from now. So I think the wife did some chicken and some food because I'm hungry, because I've been fasting to do this blood draw. What's crazy is that I try to tell people that they're like, I don't know if I want to be on testosterone. I don't care about your testosterone. I care that you get your blood checked. There's so much you can learn from getting a full panel blood test done. And me personally, when I linked up with Core Medical, doing a full panel blood test with them compared to doing it when I was active duty military and with the VA, they discovered that I had kidney issues, and I was able to address that and do a lot of remediation and detoxing. And this is why I tell people, hey, I get it. You might feel sluggish, but you might also be scared to get on testosterone. I mean, hey, whatever, that's your prerogative. You don't want to feel better or you want to try the ways, go for it. But at a minimum, get your blood work done, because you might lie to yourself, but your blood work doesn't lie. Now some time to hang out with the family at the park. Just gotta track them down. Always on the go, it seems like. Oh, absolutely. You're royalty. What's up, pimp?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. Hi.
Hi. Whoa. Hi. Well, play in the park a little bit now. Our friend Amanda's getting ready to do some sound bowl music, some healing.